여보세요. 야, 너 내가 전화 끊지 말라 그랬지?
씨발 짜증나게 전화하지 말라고.
아이, 쉣.
Alright, hello everybody. So we're going to do an unboxing of Astro's album. I already took the cards and everything out because I'm just getting excited. I think my biases are officially MJ and Moonbin, but I really love them all, so I don't know. But I'm trying to decide which photo cards I'm collecting, so basically I'll be happy with anybody, but you know. So here's the front and the back and the spine. So this like little thing here, it's got all their names, and then it says Astro first mini album spring up with their logo. And then this has their birth years. Ugh. Kill me now, freaking children, can't even. And then here is where the CD goes. Ooh. So there's the CD. I'm gonna have to burn that onto my computer. And oops, kind of didn't do it right. There we go. Okay, and then this has all the track names. Oh, I can't even. Look at them. Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh my god, I can't. You guys, I just can't. Oh, Woo. He's so freaking precious. And yes, I did watch both of their shows that were on Drama Fever, that To Be Continued and Okay Ready or something, right? I'm such Astro trash. I wasn't even gonna buy this album, and then, well, you know, became Astro trash, and there we go. Oh, look at Jin Jin. He's so, oh my god, he's so cute. Freaking Jin Jin. Like, look at him. He's so precious. I can't stand it. They're all so cute. Oh, MJ. I love him. Look how cute. Oh. Why you boys gotta be like that, huh? So stinking. Oh, look at Rocky. Oh. They're so cute. Look at his smile. Oh, Rocky, you're so cute. Oh no, little Sauna. Oh, look at Sauna. He's so... Oh my god, he's so stinking cute. Like, look at him. So cute. Ugh, now go away. Oh. Look at this smile. So cute. Look at his smile. Oh, I can't even. I can't help it. They're just so, like, look how freaking cute. I can't even. Oh, you can even see Moonbin's in the crease, of course. Stupid pictures of someone in a crease. Ugh. I like how they put, like, the random color in Jin Jin's hair all the time. It's super cute. Ah! Can he just stop? He is so freaking precious. Look at him. Oh, such an adorable Maknae. So adorable. And so freakishly tall. Like freaking giant. Hello, Ricky. Looking all innocent. Does that say chocolate champion? So it looks like a shirt says. Can we freaking not? Ugh. This boy right here in Woo, he's just, he's got such a flawless, beautiful face. Like, I mean, doesn't he? I'm just saying. I think he does. Oh, Jin Jin. I know, this video is full of, aw, cute, because they are, I can't help it. They're so precious. They're so precious. MJ, go away. Just go away. Love times 1,000, thank you. What does that say? Very, very thanks. You're very, very welcome. And there's the credits. Oh, I didn't realize that this folded out. Another little picture with the cutie patooties. And then there's the other half of the front picture. Okie dokie. So here's like the little postcard thing you get in there that just... Oh, so most people when they got their cards, the backs of them were the same, like they had the same photo, but I have one of Moonbin's and one of MJ, so that's cool. So let's see who we got. So first we're gonna do the one with MJ's photo on the back. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, Sana! Oh, look at him. The one with Moonbin's drawing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so cute! Look how precious he is. Oh. So yay, I got Sana and Unwoo. I'm super excited. I'm probably gonna get like one of each member and probably both of MJ and Moonbin. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know if I've seen like what every single one of them look like, because I know there's 2 versions of each, and I've never seen anybody get a group one, so I'm gonna have to watch more videos. But yeah, so thank you for watching, and I will talk to y'all soon. Bye!